From blueprint to luxury SUV, but the journey of BMW X3 begins with digital precision. Clay modeling brings BMW X3's sculpted design to life before production.
Wind tunnel testing ensures the X3 slices through air with signature BMW efficiency.
BMW's twin-power turbo engine is assembled with micrometer precision.
Chassis dynamics tuned on test rigs for X3's signature handling feel.
X3's body structure assembled with BMW laser welding tech for maximum rigidity.
Paint quality of X3 checked under BMW's multi-angle light tunnel.
Comfort seats in X3 are tested for long-distance fatigue resistance.
Adaptive suspension tested dynamically on variable terrain.
Laser headlights aligned with precision optical instruments.
BMW kidney grille with active shutters tested for cooling and aero.
I need those reports by COB, regardless of the system upgrade.
Yes, I'm almost at the office.
BMW emblem installed, symbol of premium engineering.
Climate system tested from -20 degrees Celsius to 50 Celsius for global reliability.
Interior materials verified for UV and wear resistance.
Acoustic testing ensures cabin serenity at 130 km/h.
All-wheel X-drive system tested on low-friction dyno.
X3's digital cluster synced with navigation and driving modes.
ADAS alert calibration fine-tuned for intuitive response.
BMW X3 doors undergo T5000 open-close cycles. Harman Kardon audio, tuned specifically for X3 cabin shape.
X3 tires balanced and aligned with laser-guided machines.
Power tailgate tested for height memory and safety reverse.
Rain sensor triggers auto wipers during controlled spray test.
Final QA inspection before X3 enters global showroom spotlight.
Brake components of X3 tested under high-temp downhill simulation.
3D surround view camera calibrated using precision parking grids.
Set the temperature to 20 degrees Celsius and navigate to Berlin, bitte.
Die Klimaautomatik ist eingestellt. Die Route wird berechnet.
Fuel filler cap pressure tested for emissions compliance. Heads-up display aligned for optimal visibility on windshield.
Wireless charging pad tested for device heat and alignment.
Smart key proximity unlock range verified.
Dynamic traction control tested on icy rollers. Cargo space lights tested for automatic activation.
BMW X3's aerodynamic underbody panels tested at high speed.
Hill descent control tested on steep gravel incline.
TPMS system accuracy validated with calibrated leaks.
Sunroof auto close tested during simulated rain. Door handle pull resistance and return spring tested.
X3's remote start feature tested with key and mobile app.
Oil change interval tracking verified via onboard diagnostics.
Electrochromic mirror dimming tested under night glare.
Trunk kick sensor tested with varied foot gestures.
Traffic detected. Recalculation speed, 2.7 seconds. New route optimal.
Power seat memory restores positions across driver profiles.
Approaching target spot. Now turning. Vehicle is straightening. Parking maneuver successful. Adaptive cruise control distance management tested at speed.
X3's battery condition checked via diagnostic tool before shipping.
Every BMW X3 passes through automated final quality tunnel before release.
Engine start-stop system tested for smooth restart during traffic jams.
Wireless Apple CarPlay tested for connectivity and lag.
Child seat anchor points tested for ISOFIX alignment.
X3's crash data logger tested under simulated impact conditions.
Trunk divider net and cargo rails tested for load stability.
Sun visor mirror lighting intensity tested under low light. Fuel economy ratings validated on roller-based emissions test bed.
Hybrid version battery cooling tested under summer load.
Rain repellent coating applied and tested on windshield. Ambient sound insulation validated via road vibration chamber.
Rear seatbelt alert system responds when belts unbuckled during motion.
X3's auto parking feature benchmarked for precision in narrow spaces. USB-C charging ports tested for 20W DAX output and heat.
Rear window defroster, tested in freezing chamber.
Interior trim alignment tested via laser gap measurement.
Burmester 3D audio, if equipped, profiled in acoustic chamber. Reverse emergency braking tested with rolling cart dummy.
Sunlight sensor tested to adjust climate automatically.
Fuel tank pressure stability validated in long idle condition.
Rear seat USB power monitored with dual device charging.
Do calculating presets open it.
X3's towing assist mode verified with trailer angle sensor.
Fuel type detection ensures only premium fuel used.
Dynamic turn signal sequences tested in real-world visibility conditions. Hill start assist tested on 15% gradient incline.
Gesture control feature verified under varying lighting conditions.
X3's engine bay sealed for water and dust ingress protection.
The active load balancing system automatically adjusts the suspension, ensuring a smooth, stable ride regardless of cargo or passenger weight.
Auto high beam system tested with approaching vehicles.
Parking sensors checked for corner blind spots.
Roof rail strength tested for 75 kilogram dynamic load.
Tailgate open height, memory set and verified.
Front collision warning and brake assist tested with sudden stop.
Live traffic update. Severe congestion and accident reported ahead. Rerouting to a faster route. Turn left.
Rain sensor calibration verified using controlled droplet size. Driver profile memory sync tested with BMW Cloud.
Trunk underfloor compartment checked for spare and tools.
BMW roundel on wheels aligned across all units.
Bluetooth call quality tested with multiple devices.
B-pillar camera alignment tested for lane merge assist.
Wireless update module tested for remote diagnostics.
Tailpipe emissions measured during cold start cycle.
Side mirror auto tilt tested in reverse gear.
Front grille heating element tested in frost chamber.
Engine oil fill cap torque tested to factory spec.
X3's VIN barcode scanned to register for global traceability.
Pre-delivery inspection checklist completed by technician.
Interior dust and particle check using UV and white glove test.
Sunroof seal pressure tested with overhead shower. Auto tailgate height sensor tested for overhead clearance memory.
Digital dashboard display pixel check using pattern scan.
BMW X3 branding badge aligned and affixed under robotic arm.
Hood latch release system tested for emergency access.
Interior LED brightness uniformity measured across all zones.
Tailgate closing force calibrated to avoid injury.
Digital odometer reset verified post-QC under test drive.
Shift-by-wire selector tested for gear engagement delay. Drive engaged, response time measured at 152 milliseconds.
Paint depth gauge readings taken at multiple body panels.
Exhaust flap actuation tested at idle and rev.
Electric seat track resistance and noise test completed.
Fuel flap electronic unlock function tested from driver screen.
Tire brand and spec verified for each production region.
Window tint level measured for compliance.
Engine under tray fitment checked for fastener torque.
User manual and delivery kit placed inside glove box.
Rear seat fold flat mechanism tested for latch resistance.
X3 digital twin file uploaded to factory cloud post-inspection.
Speed limiter function set and verified via dashboard.
Glove box damper function tested for smooth open close.